The Etsy print-on-demand goldmine is wide open. You can sell digital tarot and oracle decks with zero inventory, zero shipping, and 100% profit. However, creators often face AI deck collapse. While you expect seamless, high-quality consistency across all cards, the reality is that normal AI often fails by the 12th card, changing styles and colors, which ruins the deck. The solution is Arcana Deck AI, the world's first locked consistency web engine. With one click, you get 22 perfect print-ready cards where the style never changes. But wait, you might be missing the biggest market. Tarot buyers are great, but they are only half the goldmine. The hidden problem is that your full-color art is invisible to the millions of people searching for stress relief and adult coloring books every single day. The ultimate fix is Arcana Coloring Book AI. This separate, standalone line art engine strips the color and builds pure, printable black and white art. You can now double your shop with the exact same ideas. Turn one theme into two products: a tarot deck for mystic buyers and a line art book for coloring fans. It's twice the money with no extra thinking. Access 8 different styles for infinite buyers, from fine detail mandalas to gothic ink. There is a style for every single coloring niche on Etsy and Amazon KDP. Use 3 complexity levels to create 3 product lines from the same engine: beginner for kids, moderate for adult casual, and advanced for intricate expert coloring books. Everything is formatted for how customers actually buy. Get perfectly sized cards, bundles, and full-page coloring sheets with True Bleed, 100% ready for print on demand. Why do you need this upgrade? You can tap into a massive, untouched market with no extra prompt headaches, double your product listings, and receive a full commercial license. As a bonus, get the Arcana Mystic Planner. It provides a step-by-step roadmap to plan your oracle deck once and publish it everywhere, from KDP to physical merchandise. By combining Arcana Deck AI, the coloring book engine, and the Mystic Planner, you have everything you need to dominate Etsy and KDP today. Don't get left behind. The sellers who enter this niche today will own it for years. Grab the entire system right now. Start building your empire today. Grab the Arcana Deck AI system, the coloring book upgrade, and your planner bonus at the link on your screen.